Hello, friends! Welcome to Owl Learning. Let's explore the world of ABCs and fun together.
A apple juice is sweet, always yummy, always neat.
Beat bounce, sweet ball goes high, bounce it up into the sky.
Cat is cute and small, cuddly kitten, I love them all.
Doggy dances on the ground, dashing playful all around. The elephant eats so slow, eating leaves wherever they go.
That fish swims in the sea, flipping things so happily.
Giraffe is oh so tall, gazing high above us all.
Hippo hums a happy tune, hopping under the bright full moon. Ice cream melts so fast, I scream it's yummy at last.
Jelly jumps on my plate, jiggly wiggly looking great.
Kangaroo hops around, kicking high without a sound.
A lion roars so loud, looking brave and feeling proud.
Monkey swings on the tree, making faces wild and free.
And nest of birds up high, napping softly in the sky.
Oh, owl hoots in the night, observing stars with big round sight.
Penguin waddles on the ice, playing sliding looks so nice.
Queen bee buzzes near, quickly flying without fear.
Our rabbit runs so fast, racing through the fields at last.
Sun shines bright and warm, spreading light with gentle charm.
Tiger tiptoes through the grass, tracking carefully as we pass.
Ooh, umbrella opens wide, under it we stay inside.
Bee by living fades a tune, very sweet beneath the moon.
Whale swims in the sea, waving things so happily.
Sound of phone goes ding ding ding, extra fun when we sing.
Yak yawns in the snow, yellow sun starts to glow.
Zebra zips across the land, zooming fast just as we planned.